Hello guys, I am Rina Arya. I'm a clay artist. In today's video, there is being a tutorial on how to make wall putty clay. In this clay, we are making it in a way with we see masons using cement for how they make cement. That way we are making a wall putty clay today. Now this way of making of clay is inspired by nazu art, and I saw her doing, so I'm trying it right now. So I put all those things which she told, like water, gum, and then I mixed it. I didn't use oil that much in it. Then I rolled it, and there shouldn't be any crack when you So this is how it actually turned out. It looks very cute. Now I'm coloring it here. See, the ground is green, and then I'm gonna make it black. I just thought I'll make the legs and the eyes black, but then I colored it fully black. Then it wasn't looking good. So what I did, I took yellow color on the point of the brush. Then I put that point on that item which I made, the cute animal, and then it turned like a frog, and I was like, oh wow, it looks very amazing, and I'm so amazed to see it. It looks very pretty. So till this much only. Now I'm gonna say bye, because now the video will end very soon. So thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, and do like my video if you like it, and do share and comment on this video. Till then, bye bye. See you next time, and do subscribe my channel and click on the